See this here? The track tension is completely off. Right, let's adjust the tensioner. Okay, turning it now.
But the most serious problem was hidden deep within the drivetrain, a major structural crack in the final drive tube. This critical component transfers power to the tracks, and if it fails completely, the entire machine. Most operators would consider this bulldozer ready for scrap, but today the goal is different. Today, this dead machine is getting a second life. The three mechanics begin with a slow and methodical inspection. Every visible surface is examined, and the camera moves in close to reveal the depth of the crack running along the final drive housing. Oil residue around the fracture confirms that the damage has been developing for a long time. Before any repair can begin, the team must fully disassemble the affected area. Heavy tools come out and the teardown process starts. Large bolts are loosened one by one. The steel tracks are carefully removed and set aside. Protective guards, side panels, and drivetrain covers are detached in a precise sequence. Each component is labeled and organized on racks to ensure nothing is misplaced during reassembly. This step may look routine, but it is absolutely critical. Proper restoration always begins with clean, organized...
See the alignment here? Yes, but check the gear play. Right, let's test the rotation. Looks good. Let's check this alignment.
The gear mesh looks tight.
Good. Torque the bolts?
Perfect.
Keep the pressure steady on the tracks. Got it. This side is almost done.
Once the area is properly cleaned, the welding phase begins, the most crucial moment of the entire restoration. Bright arcs of light flash as precision weld beads are carefully laid along the crack section. The mechanics work in a controlled passage.
All right, let's get this seated. Lowering now, steady. Aligning the shaft. Good. Secure it.
Slow motion shots capture molten metal flowing smoothly into the repaired seam. This is the point where the bulldozer's future is decided. After welding is complete, the repaired section is allowed to cool gradually to prevent internal stress. The team then performs a followed by
Steady on that edge. Don't overheat it. Yeah, got it. Almost through. Sparks are flying high. Watch your boots. Steady. Almost there. Got it. Sparks are hot. One more pass. All right, start it up. Let's see the tracks. Copy that. Start now.
Bulldozer is now ready